How to reset voice settings on Discord. Now, by resetting voice settings, maybe you've played around with the settings of the voice quite often and then nearly spoiled everything, and then you decide that you would like to reset it. Well, to reset the voice settings is also quite simple because all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Discord app. And once you launch it, you want to simply go to user settings, which is the gear icon right here. Once you come to user settings, this is the type of option you will see. Now you simply have to scroll under app settings. You'll find an option where it says voice and video. You want to simply click on the voice and video option right here. Let's say you have customized all of these settings to of percentage and now you decide you'd like to change everything to default. You just have to scroll all the way to the very bottom and one of the option there it says is reset voice. So you want to click on reset voice settings. It will ask you, it will clear all local mutes and local volumes. Are you sure you want to do this? Click on the OK button and it will reset the voice settings for you from the Discord app. It really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.